Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you want to open up your settings application. From there, scroll down to settings, or not settings, my bad, storage. Choose your SD card. Let's go with files. Once it loads it up, you want to tap on the three dots which are right next to the magnifying glass. Just this little sticker is kind of getting in the way. And once you do, you can navigate to storage settings, where you will find format option. When you tap on it, it gives you a message that performing this will remove everything from the card, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. So let's progress by tapping on format SD card, and there we go. Now for some reason this device, after formatting it, it automatically ejects it and then reinserts it, so don't worry, that is apparently a normal thing here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.